How many positive integers n are there between 10 and 99 such that n minus 1, n minus 2 till 3 into 2 into 1 is not divisible by n. That means n lies between 10 to 99. Okay. N value, it could be 11, it could be 12, till 99. N is a positive integer. It lies between 10 to 99. It could go up to 98. Okay. Now it says that n minus 1, n minus 2 is not divisible. N minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 till 3 into 2 into 1 is this numerator, right? This part is not divisible by n. It should not be divisible, not divisible by n, right? That's the question. Now, can we say that this numerator, what is the numerator? This one, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into 3 into 2 into 1, this is actually n minus 1 factorial. That means n minus 1 factorial should not be divisible, not be divisible by n, not divisible, not divisible by n, right? Now, how can that be possible? Let's understand with the values. Let's take n as 11, right? N lies between 10 to 99. Let's say n as a positive integer. Let's say it's 11. So what is 11? When we say 11, so it will be n minus 1, that is 10 factorial. Is it divisible by 11? No, it is not divisible. Why? Because 10 factorial is 10 into 9 into 8 till 3 into 2 into 1. You do not have any factor of 11 in 10 factorial. That means 11 is a good value which do not divide 10 factorial or n minus 1 factorial. Let's understand with 12. What about 12? So 12 is divisible. So 12 minus 1, n minus 1 factorial, that is 11 factorial. Is it divisible by 12? So 11 factorial can be written as 11, 10, 9, 8, 3, 2, 1, like this, divided by, is it divisible by 12? Yes, it is divisible. Why? Because 12 is a composite number made up of a 3 and a 4, right? So it will be divisible by 12. This numerator is divisible by 12. Why? Because you have a 3, you have a 4 as well. You have a 4. So this will get divided by 12, right? 11 factorial. Why? Because 12 is a composite number which has the factors in 11 factorial. That means this number is not to be considered. Why? Because it divides. We have to find out which number do not divide n minus 1 factorial. Now, if you understand one more, let's say n as 13. Let's understand for n as 13. Now, if n is taken as 13, so 13 minus 1, that is 12 factorial. 12 factorial is divided by 13. No, it is not. Why? Because 12 factorial, 13 is a prime number which do not lie in 12 factorial. 12 into 11 into till 1, there is no factor of 13. That means ideally the question is asking how many prime numbers are in between 10 to 99. You just have to find out the prime numbers which lie between 10 to 99. That will be your correct answer. Now, how to find out? Just remember that from 1 to 50, okay, from 1 to 50, there are 15 primes, okay, 1, 5. There are 15 prime numbers. From 1 to 100, there are 25 prime numbers. Okay, from 1 to 100, there are 25 prime numbers. And from 1 to 10, how many prime numbers? There are 4 prime numbers. What are those? 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 7. So these are the 4 prime numbers. So if we require from 10 to 99, how many prime numbers will be there? From 10 to 99, how many prime numbers? It will be 25 minus 4. 25 minus 4, that is 21 prime numbers are there in between 10 to 99. That is our answer. How many prime numbers? That was the question. Option C being the correct answer here.